Hi, it's Shelley Lynch, and I'm just going to quickly show you what you need to do to become part of our training center for the four of you. So you are going to create, if you have not done so yet, sorry, you're going to go to, here, you're going to go to ajinstructornetwork.org, okay? Then if you haven't done this already, you're going to register now, okay? And it's going to have you fill out all of this information. I'm already logged on, so you're going to just fill out some information about yourself with your email and everything. Then you're going to, once you're on, you're going to come to edit my profile, and then you're going to go to alignment. And you are going to be aligning with the CTC at Boston Medical Center. So how you're going to do that is you're going to say add disciplines. You will select BLS, but it's not listed here because I'm already aligned. But let's just say I'm only doing Heart Saver. Then you're going to go to Primary Training Center. You're going to go to Boston. And then it's MA00633. Search, state, Mass. And at the bottom here, it's going to show you CTC at BMC. You're going to hit select, and then what will happen after you do that is up in the top left-hand corner of your dashboard, you're going to have a box with your name in it, and it's going to say pending alignment. Once you fill out that form, you need to email us at info@aclsacademy.com, info@aclsacademy, your full name, how you want it spelt on the card, and how you aligned, and then what we'll do is we will approve your instructor alignment. You'll be given an instructor number. When you're given that instructor number, when it's been processed, I need you to email us back and tell us your instructor number that was assigned to you, because that way we can finish your paperwork, and then that way when you finish doing all of your training, we can process your card. All right, thank you so much.